The purpose of this video is to show you how to check the Destiny online catalog for your school to find out if books are available at that library to be checked out. So the first thing you'll do from this page is you'll choose the library you're requesting books from. And then notice that you can type in lots of different choices here. You can search by keyword, which is the easiest way to search. You can search by title or author or subject, lots of different ways to search. So I'm going to search for a specific title of a book that I want to read. And I'm going to click title. So it gives me here a list of the books that I have available from my library that are this title. And I wanted to point out a couple of things on this page. First of all, one of the most important things to notice is that over here, it lists if this book is available. So for example, this book here, this copy of Hunger Games, it says 0 of 3 available. That means that book is not on the shelf. But this copy, and this might be a hardcover versus a soft cover, two different versions. This one is available. It says 1 of 1 available. Okay, so I know that this book should be on the shelf, and I can put in a request with my librarian for that book. Realize that it's possible that the books may be missing off the shelf, or that there might be multiple students trying to get the same book. So it's possible that you won't get every book you request, but we will do our very, very best to fill any request we can. I also wanted to point out a couple of things. If you scroll down, there's a couple of other versions of this book that I wanted to make you notice. Notice that this one says audio, and it says right here on the call number, it says play. That means that book is a play away. We are currently, for the summer checkout, not going to be checking out any playaways. It's going to be print books only. So we're not going to fill any requests for playaways for the summer. And then notice that this one, see how this one has an E in the circle? That means it is an ebook. Those books are available in the through Sora or through our online book collection. So those also are not something that we have a print copy per se. That can be accessed as a book through the Sora app. Another thing we want to make you aware of are resource lists to help you find books on specific topics. So for example, this is the high school's online catalog. If I click on the resource list over here on the left side, there are many lists to help you find things that you might be interested in. For example, if you are a really big fan of books in verse, if you click on this list, it tells you all the books in verse that are available from that library. So say, for example, I was interested in reading Sky Between You and Me. I want to make note of the title of the book and the author of the book to put in the form. To request a book, you'll just click on the book request form, and you will type in your first and last name. You'll say which school the books you're requesting are from, and those books will be available at that school. Then there's space to request up to 5 books. And then you might also want to write down here where it says surprise me, choose a book for me. If you're not sure what book you want, but you just know you definitely want 5 books, you could put some information here about genres or books that you've liked to give us librarians information so that we could potentially pick some other books for you. And that's how you request books for the summer checkout.